I filled a bottle of can with water and I don't want it to be too transparent, so I added a cube of mangi, and after that I had to shake it properly so it will ferment. Cover the cup, then you want to pretend you are pressing it like a button. When turning the water, you don't want to like turn it like this because it's not going to give you that sound, and also it will be very hard for you while editing. So you want to like take it up, then you want it to drop this way. Mostly if you can get it exactly at the middle, it will be so nice. So when you are pressing the button, it will just like you are pressing the right part the water is coming from. The next thing you want to do, you want to keep your phone the way you kept it before. Now then you just place your hand there. Then the next thing, you want to remove your phone. Then you want to pretend like, wow, this is magic. So since I've gotten this part, let's go and edit. Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Freething, where editing becomes easy. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create the water pouring trick. Wait, I know you must have been wondering, is it even possible? Yes, it is completely possible. Wait till the end of this video, you know exactly how to create the water pouring trick. Don't skip any part of this video. If you are visiting us for the first time, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos. So after getting all the old clips, now you want to go straight to editing. If you have CapCut to your phone, good and fine. But if you don't, go straight to your Play Store or App Store and download CapCut, because we are using CapCut to teach you this tutorial. Let's dive in. Enter your CapCut app. Now you want to start a new project. So after getting all your clips ready, now you want to import your clips. So you select the ones you are working with. So I might not be picking them like accordingly, but once they're in my timeline, I can rearrange them. All you have to do is tap on it for long, then you want to take it where it was supposed to be, and that's it. So this is the first clip. This is the clip you are pressing your phone like there's a button there, like there's a water pump button there. Then the next clip is while you are pouring the water on the cup, and the final clip is when you are picking up the cup like you did some magic there. It's not a magic. Watch the end of this video, you know exactly how to do this, because we are doing the editing right now. Now you want to tap on the second clip. Look at the first clip here. You want to tap on the second clip. You tap on the second clip. Now you want to overlay this second clip. After scrolling towards the end of this video, towards the end of this place, you see overlay. You tap overlay. Automatically the second clip will come below the first clip, and this is what we have. So you drag it. Once you drag it, if you look now, the overlay clip now is taking over the screen. So what do? You move it back a little. Then now you want to see the first clip. Look at this is when you put your, so you still move it again. So this is where you put, this is where you put the phone on top of the cup. So this is where you start your overlay. So this is how it will be. So you want to put your overlay at the point where you want to start pressing the phone like you are doing a magic there. So you put your overlay just when your hand, it is just when your hand tap on the phone like you are pressing a button. So this is where your hand tap on the phone. So you put your overlay here. So what do? You tap on the overlay. After tapping on the overlay, now you want to check for mask. Check for mask. You can find mask at this area. You just scroll, and this is mask. You tap on mask. You want to use the horizontal, so you can do this trick exactly. This is the part that used to be very confusing. So many people do not know how to use this part because they are going to make a mistake. So after putting your mask, the next thing you want to do, you want to tap on this place here. You want to tap on invert. So Once you tap on invert, that's when you can get it. Then second, you want to use the fading. Are you seeing this part is fading? You want to use the fading to blend it, so it will just be like the water is coming directly. So I think we have gotten it. So look at it now. There is an error there. It says the water did not come out immediately. So what do you want to do? You want to split. You want to split this part and delete first. You want to split the overlay part so you can move it forward. If you look at the mask is not completely blend. So you want to blend it properly so that there will not be any suspicion. So you want to take it down. So it will look more real. Now look at what we got here. This is good. This is good. So after this, you want to split this part. Just when you remove your hand, split, delete. Then you want to you want to cut this place and leave just when you pick up your cup, and split also. So this is just exactly how I did it. After this, you want to color grade so everything will look sparkling. You want to use your brilliance to like increase the color. Brilliance is enough for this since everywhere is really bright. You just want to this is what we got. You can decide to add any sound of your choice. You want to explore CapCut audio, use any sound you want. So look at what we got. You're coming. And that's it. A water pouring magic trick you can pull off with just your phone and CapCut. If you try this, tag me so that I can see. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is Create with Freething. See you on our next video. Bye.